Hello, we are Hands of Lavanya and we are currently working on her project The Capstone. Coincidence is she is studying about us only. So let's see us from her point of view. Let's go.
First of all, hands are tool of tools. Do you think tools work in isolation? No, tools require hand to work for their functionality. Their functionality depends on the grips and grabs, which involves human thumb, which gives remarkable strength in pinch and power grips.
For example, the precision grip, pulp grip, hammer grip, key grip, power grip, hook grip, chuck grip, and span grasp.
This leads us to an interesting finding, framework of hands and how they differ. Other than genetics, they depend upon age, gender, as well as nutrition provided. The appearance of hands come from how they are utilized, depending on the interaction they do with the different materials and tools while working. But how do these hands reach high level of skills? Hand function is a result of neurologic development, psychological maturation, and functional development of learned patterns of movement and motor control. The evolution of ability to copy elementary actions in human beings enable the hands to reach high level of skills. Now let's see how art and hand skills are connected through the perspective of Indian culture. Art is created by hands. The purpose, occasion, method, need, quality changes culture to culture, and these factors change how hands are supposed to work, making a difference in the art and style of the final outcome. Art is created on hands. In India, brides apply henna so that they could prevent their nerves from tensing up. But nowadays, all over across the globe, henna is applied for aesthetic purpose. Art is created for hands. Earrings, they may be for aesthetic pleasure, fortune, wedding, social status, religious feelings. Likewise, there are few more hand ornaments which have different cultural significances and interpretation according to the person. Human hands are social glue. We experience exchange of trust and emotion through touch. See textile system helps humans to identify type of touch. Touch is a blessing to humans. But the fear of unwanted touch has changed the meaning of touch for us. Our surroundings are not that safe that we adapt the touch as a blessing, not as a fear. The hand language communicates our emotions. They are highly personal and factor determining the meaning of one, how they interpret it regards to region, gender to gender, culture, economic background, age and society. For example, the V sign. For me it's different, for Koreans it is different, a picture pose, and for Europeans it means a victory pose was originated from here only during. Talking about the palm. Palmistry says that whole universe lies in the lines of a palm, which decides our fate. But our hands create who we are, all the good karma. And the bad karma is created by our hands, and in the end, that's what decides our fate. Lavanya learned a lot about hands, how they are complex when it comes to anatomy, and how beautifully they express what our heart already knows. And how people will, with a lot of skills, attacked as inke haathon ka gun. And it is interesting to know how two hands cannot work same. In the end, I want to quote a quote by Nelson Mandela. It is your hands who create a better world for who all are living in it. Thank you so much for watching.